Clicking the Team Profiles tab allows you to see all your contacts' communication styles on one grid. You can learn more about each person's specific style, or you can compare styles directly from this page. There are two grid types. The first is the specific grid type, where you can see everyone's specific communication style, and the second is the basic grid type, where you can see everyone's primary communication style. Once you have created or joined a team, you can click on the team name to view all team members on the grid and see what the communication dynamic is within the team. You can click the View Team Scores button to view a report of each team member's score breakdown and specific style. You have the options to print the report and to download the report as a CSV file. Back on the Team Profile screen, you can click on the Team Profile Report button to request a personalized team report which contains more information about the team's communication styles, tips for managing conflict, and a personalized report for each team member with an in-depth comparison of their style to each of the other team members. Please allow Leading Resources 2 to 3 business days to process your request and send the reports to you via email.